Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, we're a little bit busy over the Christmas period, doing a few family commitments. But like I say, now we're back now in the new year, so Happy New Year. I know it's a bit late, but it's nice to say it. And to let you know what we're up to. Like I say, we started work on the Christmas market and we had a few little issues. Once we put all the actual items down, the stalls and the trees, we didn't have enough room. So my wife had to come up with a bit of a solution. So we started cutting through the rock face on the left hand side here, as you see as we're coming in now. So what we've done, we pushed it back a bit. And these are just standard matchsticks that we got. They're so easy and cheap to buy. So once these are all PVA glued down and dried out, we can start painting these up, just to varnish them in and make them quite nice. Especially with the trees that are all going on the back there. So the areas will come alive a bit. And as you see over the back there, you've got the warehouse. We've still got to fill off the fencing all the way round. But that does look quite impressive. So very happy with that area. So we're progressing quite well. We're taking a little bit of time with this layout. And we're trying to get it right as we go around. You never get it right altogether, but you can still work on it and come up with different solutions to make it work. Like I say, we're limited to space on this layout, especially this shelf layout we're doing, but we're doing quite well with what we got. And over the area over the back here with the church, that looks quite impressive, especially using the sweet wrappers for the windows, and that does look quite nice when it's all lit up. And plus we've got a wedding going over the back area there, and I started putting a little bench there with a few people sitting in front of the graveyard, because you have a few benches actually there where people can see and still talk to their loved ones that they miss. So that area's come up with quite a treat. Very pleased with that, especially the trees that we made. When we made those ourselves, so they're quite natural and they look quite impressive. And even over the top area here, that's come up quite a treat. And these are the sheep we bought. We actually spent a little bit more money with these sheep, but they do look quite impressive. So what we've done, we painted these sheep up and just made their coats, their white coats, with this powder on them. Just fluff them up so they look like they've got a nice jacket on them. And they come up quite a treat. As we come down the front here, we should start working on the old scrapyard soon. I've just got these old cabinets in at the moment. These are 3D ones. These are all to be weathered up and these will be located around the rest of the layout in future terms. So something to look out for. As you come along here, we've got the old canal. That's settled down now, so I'm just going to put the top coat on that. Put the canal and the boat scenes that, and that will come alive. So it's something to look for a future reference. So this was just a quick update and let you know on our journey. Still got a long way to go. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe, and I'll see you soon.